Hello everybody, this is Khashir. Welcome to part 2 of Tic Tac Toe with C. In last part, we left off the program here where we could actually have the input number for machine and the player, and we could have some sort of data check if the spot is already taken or not. So in this part, instead of getting this input from the user for machine, we try to generate random number. Getting random number is kind of easy also in C, not easy as how it is in Python, for example. Here, as you see, I have my time.h library because we are going to use that one. So in our function definition, we are going to have another function, but instead of void, we need to have int function because we have to return a value here, and we can call it get random number. Okay, so in int get random number, we can have we should have couple of sorry, not like that, variables, and we need to have int I, or maybe not, actually no, we just need to have in fact we need to have only, I guess, one variable here, and that would be time underscore t, and set it to t, and the time underscore t is time data type. So we set this variable to time data type, and also when you need to for example know something about C++ or C, one of the best references that I wanted to show you guys, if you already know that's something, but if you don't know, you can go to c++.com, and here on references, and you see in C libraries you can have access to all these libraries, and for example time, where is the time, yeah, here for example time, and you can have access that to know what is time underscore t. So this is one of the awesome websites for reference. You can check it out. Okay, and after we need to have srand, and srand is taking using the time seed to generate the random number, but it's expecting a signed value because it's going to sign or set the value to that variable. So here we have to have unsigned, and after that time, which is or act as a seed at t. It's like this time is act as a seed for us, and the t is the variable which can accept time data type, and srand start to pick a number, and because of that it should be unsigned here. It's pick a number base of this time seed here. So after that we just need to just for now print f, let's say and now we can actually rand and get a random number, but you will see after what we need to do. Okay, for now I'm coming here to machine turn, and I'm going to comment out everything here, and instead every time we are in machine turn we can call get a random number, and we see what's the value of this random generated number is. And after we have to just turn -1, because we will be stuck on an infinite loop in that machine and start to just generate over and over the random number. So GCC if everything works. So here 0, and here is our random generated number, and when I again generate it, okay, but we can't use this number for ourselves, and because of that we are going to use mod or remainder here. The only thing we need to do is to just use mod operator and 9, which is our number of the cells, and now we can have a number between 0 to 9, between 0 to 8 actually. So let's test it. 0, now we have 6, 1, 8, 2, and every time we can have a different number. All right, but now instead of print this value, we're just going to return the value. So something like this, and return the value. And here we get the random number. And we can set it to the move. So move equal get random number. And now we can have our logic here. So if board move equal underscore, then board move equal machine, this time equal machine. And I guess I've been checking my code before. Instead of is, I wrote if somewhere. Try again. It's what if full. Yeah, this should be is. I guess some of you notice it. Okay, and so we set the move variable to the machine, and we set the board index of the move to the machine variable, which is O, I think. And after we can show the board, and here copy user turn multiplier. And also we could use slip maybe, but no, later. And I hope that the logic for checking the boards works here. And else, if the cell is already taken, we just call the machine turn again. So this should give us the result what we are expecting. So let's check the code one more time. So 0, all right, 1, and it's full, 2, 3. In machine function, it's loading and loading, calling it until, well, it find a generated number that can fit to this logic, so it can work. We can see now. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 again till 5. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, but it's finding it. So one thing we can do is to not see this. Actually, we can also do something like this: system clear here, and so we don't get that print statement. Run over 0. Yeah, kind of better. 2 makes it feel like the machine is working. All right. Okay, I try to keep it shorter. This part. Next part, we are going to write a function for win check, and after, hopefully, we go for write our simple and very naive AI for this tic-tac-toe game. So if you like my videos or tutorials, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in next video.